Hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you how you can manage the time of the anti-crease function in the dryer MIELE. So, in the first step we have to open the doors of your appliance, hold the start button and close the doors in the same time. Now you have to hold the button until it's fully lights up. Now we're in the settings mode. You shall see P01, let's go to the P14. Then click on start, and in the default mode of your device you should see the 02. That means the anti-crease function is activated for 2 hours after end of the cycle. You can switch it to the 1 hour or 00, so turn it off. To apply the choice, click on the start, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.